The Fox and the Goat. One day, a clever fox was walking in the forest. Suddenly, he fell into a deep well. The well was very deep, and the fox could not get out. After some time, a thirsty goat came near the well. She looked down and saw the fox inside. The goat asked the fox, "Why are you in the well?" The fox thought quickly and said, "This water is very sweet and cool. I jumped in to drink it. You should come down too." The goat believed the fox and jumped into the well. As soon as the goat was inside, the fox climbed on her back and jumped out of the well. The goat was left alone inside and started crying. She realized that she had been tricked. Moral of the story: think before you act. Do not trust clever talk without thinking.